Get a whole bunch of cucumbers, nice and clean. Now cut these bad boys. I have some chips, some whole pickles, and some Britney Spears. Oh, bama, bama. I can't do that voice. Small bowl. I've got some vinegar. This is a quart. Just dump that in with some water. Dump it in, baby. I've got some kosher salt, half a cup. Whiskey. Should turn nice and cloudy. Once it's clear again, get some mason jars. Get some Italian breath ruiner. Add this in. She shoots. She scores. Get some black pepper. Shaky. Add some in each one. This is some dill seed. This is where you get all the flavor. Getting it from the seed is the best. Literally the easiest recipe ever. Some I'm making spicy. Don't touch your eyes. I have some fresh dill. I'm folding this in half. Give it a squeeze, release the oils, and now send this down the hole. Pack it in. There we go. Looks gorgeous. Now start loading in your big daddies. This size fits perfect. Really stuff them good. Next I have my spears. Doink. Get this nice and snug. And just pack these down good. We are packed and ready. I'm just adding a little more dill right to the middle and some right on top. Add some on top of all of them. Stuff that in. Now take your brine, pour that right into your jars. I'm going all the way to the top. I cannot believe I didn't spill any. This is a miracle. Now take a spoon and press that all down. You want this to live under the brine. We are farmer's market chic right here. I'm just cleaning the jars with a vinegar-soaked towel and doing that to every jar. If you've never pickled, canned, fermented, any of the above, always good to do some research on your own before you get started. Lid these up. I like to date these. Now look at these beautiful dills. We love dill pickles in this house. Who doesn't, honestly? Cannot wait to eat these. These look so good. These are gonna be delish. There we go. Time for the fridge. It's like I'm stocking the shelves. Last one. And goodbye. All right, we're all ready here. I let these sit in the fridge over the weekend, so now we're gonna try them. They're looking so good. The longer these sit, the more sour, so it's all a matter of preference. Now all my little pickle cuties are done. So now we're gonna give these a try. Pickles are so easy to make, which is why I always make them instead of buying them. There's the pepper, so this is one of the spicy ones. Time to try my Britney Spears. You can hear the crunch. These came out perfect. Not too spicy. I could have even added more of the chilies. These are perfect and everything is better homemade. Now for my little chippies. There we go. And pickles are like pasta. The shape really does matter and change the taste in your mouth. Last one. And just a reminder, these are refrigerator pickles. So these are not shelf stable. They need to stay in the fridge. In a magical turn of events, the whole pickles were actually my favorite. Normally it's the spears. All of these though came out amazing. Hope you enjoy.